In this video, I'll be taking a deep dive into OctoberCMS, an open-source content management system that's known for its clean code, flexibility, and ability to handle complex websites. OctoberCMS is a great choice for developers who want more control over their website's design and functionality. It's a Laravel-based CMS, meaning it uses the popular Laravel framework, giving developers the tools they need to create highly customizable, feature-rich websites. But what exactly makes it stand out from other CMS options? First, let's look at the setup. Installing OctoberCMS is relatively straightforward. The system uses Composer for installation, which is familiar to most developers, and it also integrates seamlessly with Git for version control. Once installed, you're greeted with a clean, minimalist dashboard that's free of unnecessary clutter, making it easy to get started right away. For developers, this simplicity is a breath of fresh air compared to the often bloated admin panels of other CMS platforms. The real power of OctoberCMS lies in its flexibility. Unlike other CMS options, it doesn't lock you into a rigid template system. Instead, it lets you build your own custom layouts and content structures using simple, easy-to-understand Twig templates. This makes it perfect for developers who need to create bespoke websites that don't adhere to predefined structures. The CMS also supports plugin development, which means that if you need a specific feature, you can easily create or install plugins to extend its functionality. Another standout feature is its robust support for content management. OctoberCMS makes it easy to create and manage different types of content, whether it's a blog post, a portfolio, or even a complex product catalog. The built-in page editor is intuitive, and creating and managing content is fast and simple. For developers, OctoberCMS gives you complete control over how content is displayed, with full access to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, ensuring your site can be as unique as you want it to be. Many useful links can be found in the description below after watching the video. These resources are designed to help you explore further tools and support that might enhance your web development experience. However, while OctoberCMS offers a lot of flexibility, it does have a steeper learning curve compared to other popular CMS platforms, like WordPress. If you're not familiar with Laravel or coding, you may find it a bit challenging at first. But once you get the hang of it, the control and customization it offers are hard to beat. In terms of performance, OctoberCMS is fast and lightweight. Its caching system helps ensure quick load times, even for complex websites. Additionally, its ability to integrate with other frameworks and services makes it a powerful tool for building scalable websites. Security is also a priority, with regular updates and built-in protection against common vulnerabilities. If you're considering using OctoberCMS for your next project, it's definitely worth testing out if you're a developer looking for more control and flexibility. While it may not be the easiest CMS for beginners, the long-term benefits in terms of customization and performance make it a solid choice for those with the technical know-how. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tutorials on the best website building platforms available.